Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to upgrade your Twilio account. So guys, follow me in this video, and this is the pricing, guys. If you don't have the pricing, this is the pricing. You have free trial and per hour pricing $1, and you have per user pricing $115. If you want to upgrade, guys, click this option. As you can see here, click this icon, and from here click upgrade option, and after that fill your address, this information, click continue and choose the option apply your exemption from sales or telecom tax. And now you have add the starting balance, and you recommended start with minimum $20 to make Twilio right fit your needs. And also you can auto recharge, and that you will top up your balance each time you get closed. And you can pay with card through PayPal, and you can fill your pinning information. Just click confirmation. From here, guys, just click upgrade and fill this check sales option. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. See you on another video soon.